if this pace continues for the next 4 or 5 days, which it seems it will, the hospital systems in Florida and Louisiana will collapse. That's how bad this is.
Florida has more children hospitalized with COVID-19 than any other state. Several of those pediatric patients right here inside Nicholas Children's Hospital. They're currently caring for more than 20 kids with COVID. One of them is on a ventilator. Health officials are frustrated over a COVID surge that never had to happen.
I'm afraid we should not really have ever gotten in the place we are. Most of the cases, of course, now in unvaccinated people. Almost all of the deaths are unvaccinated people. And these are younger people now, including children.
The number of patients hospitalized with COVID-19 now topping 66,000. Nearly 8,400 people admitted each day. In Austin, Texas, where only 6 ICU beds are available for 2.3 million residents, the city sending out a text alert warning the COVID-19 situation in Austin is dire. Healthcare facilities are open, but resources are limited due to a surge in cases. In Florida, some hospitals are suspending elective surgeries and limiting visitors, moving beds into conference rooms, even a cafeteria. Experts warning hospitals could start turning people away. In Louisiana, they're facing the nation's highest rate of new cases. New Orleans Children's Hospital saying they're seeing an epidemic of very young children. In Florida, the number of children there hospitalized with COVID now the highest in the country.
The entire town looks just like this. This Greenville store was built in the mid-1800s. Now the remains are just broken brick and dirt. And this fire was so intense. It went just so fast. Take a look at this. This is a city light right here. It melted right off of that pole, and this fire is still far from over. Firefighters driving through this raging inferno, surrounded on both sides by the DIXIE fire, as they try getting a handle on what has become the second largest wildfire in California's history, which is now threatening 14,000 structures, already destroying more than 600, including homes and the entire gold rush town of Greenville, since it started roughly 27 days ago. All around, just complete destruction that goes on for blocks and blocks. You can see folks' cars behind me, an ironing board, just what used to be regular life, but right now just completely unrecognizable. 4 firefighters injured and 5 people still unaccounted for. Jack Romero now without a home and frantically trying to get in touch with a close friend.
And he's an older guy like my mom, and I'm worried. She's worried to death.
Others with no idea where to turn to next.
I've got to have a home. I'm getting older. I can't live on the streets. I don't even know where to begin. So I want to go home.